Hi there, it's me again. So in our last math lesson, we talked about NBT.3 comparing two-digit numbers based on the meaning of the tens and the ones digit, recording the results. So today we're going to continue to talk about NBT.3, compare two-digit numbers based on meanings of the tens and the ones digit, recording the results of comparisons with the symbols greater than, equal to, and or less than. Let's look at our learning target. I can compare two-digit numbers based on meanings of the tens and ones digits, recording the results of comparisons with the symbols greater than, equal to, and or less than. So let's take a look at this short video on comparing numbers in first grade. Beware alligators.
The number 16 is made up of 1 tenth and 6 ones. We have 1 tenth place and 6 ones. The 16 is made up of 14. Problem from left to right. So we say 16 is greater than 14. The big math is all use? We will use the less than symbol. Amazing! 13 is less than 15. And we can easily see that with the ones.
Now let's take a look at our anchor chart. Comparing numbers, we see that this number here is 12 on the left side, and we see that this number here is 5 on the right side. And remember, we read our numbers from left to right because we read from left to right. So here we see there's 110, 2 ones. Here we only have 5 ones. So the alligator mouth is going to always eat the larger or greater number. So 12 is greater than 5. Here we have the number 4. On the right side, we have the number 14. First, we're going to look at the ones. We have 4 ones. Then we look at the tens and the ones. We have 110 and 4 ones on this side. So that means because we have 110 over here and no tens over here, 14 is the greater number. So reading from left to right, 4 is less than 14. And last, we have the number 10 on the left side and the number 10 on the right side. We see that there's 110 here and 110 here. So that means 10 is equal to or the same as 10. Here, guys, we have our vocabulary words for this lesson. You may want to jot down some notes to help you remember what each word means. First, we have compare, to place together, to measure or analyze. Next, we have greater than. This is the symbol. Remember, the alligator's always going to eat the bigger, the biggest, the larger, or the largest. Next, we have the less than. Here's the less than symbol. Remember, the less than symbol is going to represent smaller, smallest, the least, or few, or fewest. Next or last, we have the same, the equal to sign, which means the same as. Equal to means same as. Let's quickly review our hot question, guys. What place value, tens or ones, do we use to begin to compare two two-digit numbers? Would we look at the tens place or the ones place first to initially start comparing our two-digit numbers? So now, guys, I'm going to model for you comparing two two-digit numbers. And I'm going to use a drawing tool to represent our tens and our ones. So the first number going from left to right is going to be right here, number 43. So let's draw, or I'm going to draw number 43 using tens and ones. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, let's make this one a little bigger, and 3. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, and 43. Now over here on the right side, I'm going to draw the number 34. And I see that it's 3 tens and 4 ones. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So now we have the number 43 and the number 34. Oh, and I know that I read left to right and I start I'm going to start with the tens place. The tens, let me underline that, the tens place. So if I'm looking at the tens place, I see that the number on the left side is 4 and the one on the right side is 3. So I see that I have one more 10 than the number 34. Has 3 tens. So it's one more in the number 43 than in the number 34. One more 10. So that means that I'm going to use the symbol right here. 43 is going to be greater than the number 34. Okay? And now I'm going to come down here and do number 2. Let me go back and get my pencil. So here I'm going to draw, reading left to right, the number 26 using tens and ones. So 10, 10, 20, and then 6 ones right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to draw the number 52 on the right side. 10, 20, 30, 40, 51, and 52. Okay, guys, so now I see that for the number 26, I only have 2 tens and 6 ones. And the number on the right, 52, I have 5 tens and 2 ones. So that means that I'm going to use the greater than or less than sign right here, and the sentence will read 26 is less than 52. Remember, the alligator is always going to eat the greater number. Now guys, let's quickly do 2 together. What side are we going to start with first, reading the numbers? Yes, left to right. So we're going to read this number and compare it to this number, left to right. Yes. So we're going to start with what place. The ones are the tens. Right, the tens place here. Underline the tens place here. Yes. So we see that this is 4. So let's quickly draw 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. And for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and draw 64, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So now I see that 44 has 4 tens and 4 ones, and 64 has 6 tens and 4 ones. So that means that the number 64 is going to be larger than the number 44. And so we would read that left to right, 44 is less than the number 64. And for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and do number 2. Yes, we see that 53 and 35, they look the same, but be careful of that place value right here. The one that's in the tens place is going to be the 5. The number that we compare on the left and the number that's on the right is a 3. So guys, here's your exit ticket. Please use a sheet of paper, number the paper 1 through 4, and write each 2-digit